Alright guys, so I'm just going to get right into the tutorial. So I'm just going to take my Olay makeup removing wipes and I'm just going to cleanse the area where I'm going to be making my cut mouth. You just want to make sure it's completely clean. Now I'm taking a beauty sponge I don't really use anymore and some liquid latex I got from the Halloween store, and I'm just going to apply it all over my mouth. Make sure you get a good amount on there because you want the toilet paper I'm putting on next to stick. Now I'm taking the toilet paper. I definitely do recommend to use tissue paper. It works a lot better and it's a lot thicker, but toilet paper is fine too. You just have to keep building it up. So I did this same process a couple of times, putting latex over the tissue, letting it dry, putting more tissue on, and then repeating the process till I got my desired thickness. And now I'm taking my foundation and beauty blender. Of course, I don't recommend you use a La Mer foundation to do this, but this is what I had and it was almost done, so I just used it. And I'm just going to blend it in. I just kind of want it to match with my skin tone a little bit. It's just going to make it look a lot better. Now I'm taking my Lime Crime palette and I'm just going to take the light shade and set my foundation, just making it easier to work with. Now I'm cutting open my mouth and making the mouth area a lot bigger. Now be careful with this. I didn't put a lot of it on camera because I almost stabbed myself several times, so definitely be careful with this step. And now I'm just taking my scissors and cutting it open a little bit wider, just taking random sections and just cutting it. It doesn't have to be perfect by any means because the messier is definitely better. Now I'm just taking a purplish pinkish eyeshadow. I mean, you could really use anything, a red one, and I'm just going to go around the area, inside and on the corners. And now I'm just taking a black paint, which I do not recommend at all. I really recommend the tubes of paint more because I feel like they're more matte, and this is definitely like very shiny, so I have to go in and set it a lot. Now I'm taking that same paint that I didn't show you because I don't recommend it, but I'm just going to go with a red shade and go around the areas of my mouth, around the black, just to kind of make it look a little bit messier, bloodier. And taking the same blending brush, I'm just going to blend around my whole mouth area. Now off camera, I took bobby pins and stuck it through my mouth because I thought it looked really cool and like added a glam touch. And now I'm just taking some blood and I'm just going to pounce it everywhere, make it look really messy and bloody, like you just ate someone's heart out. It feels so good to have that makeup off, but I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and definitely subscribe because this whole entire week I'm going to have a new Halloween video up. I'm super excited and I worked really hard on all of them, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss out, and give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you all so much.
And in the dark times, you don't have to question if I'm on where we are. You could put an ocean between our love. It will keep us apart. You could build a wall.